Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to download Discord application on your smartphone. Whether you are using Android or iOS, downloading and installing the correct Discord app is super easy. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Once you do that, go to the search icon at the top and type in Discord in the search bar. In the search result, look for this application from Discord Inc. and then tap on the install or the cloud icon to download the app. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed on your smartphone, which may take a couple of minutes, and once it is done, tap on open. And there you have successfully downloaded Discord application on your smartphone. Now you can go ahead and log into your existing account or create a new one and connect with friends, join communities, and enjoy seamless voice, video, and text chats. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.